Trying to earn extra money sounds exciting, but when you actually start, you quickly realize that half the side hustles online are overhyped or unrealistic. To cut through the noise, I decided to test 5 different side hustles for 30 days. No special skills, no paid courses, no expensive equipment. In this video, we are going to talk about I tried 5 side hustles for 30 days. Here's what paid the most. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. 1. Freelance content writing. I started with freelance writing because it requires almost nothing to begin, no investment, no fancy gear, and no formal experience. I created accounts on Fiverr, Upwork, and a few writing job boards. The first 3 days were slow because getting your first client is the hardest part. I wrote simple samples, crafted short proposals, and focused on small beginner-friendly tasks like blog posts, product descriptions, and social media captions. By the end of week 1, I completed 2 tiny jobs that paid only $15 each, but they gave me my first reviews. Once those reviews were visible, more orders started coming in. During the second and third week, I wrote longer articles, earning between $20 to $40 per piece. I kept my delivery time fast, which increased repeat orders. By the end of 30 days, I earned just over $380 from writing alone. It wasn't life-changing money, but it was consistent and grew every week. The biggest advantage of freelance writing was flexibility. I could work anytime, and I didn't depend on algorithms or luck. The downside? It required hours of focus and typing. If you prefer active, predictable work, writing is one of the simplest side hustles to start, but not the highest paying for the time spent. 2. Dropshipping. High potential but high stress. The second hustle was dropshipping, something almost every make money online video talks about. I wanted to see if a beginner could realistically make money without buying expensive ads. I created a simple Shopify store, imported a few trendy products from AliExpress, and promoted them through TikTok organic content and Instagram Reels. The first week was full of learning, editing videos, testing product angles, and figuring out what actually grabs attention. My first few videos barely got views. But on day 10, one clip showing a kitchen gadget hit 20K views. That traffic brought my first 3 sales, each giving me around $8 profit. It wasn't huge, but it proved the model works if you're patient. During week 3, I kept posting daily, testing different products. A few videos went mildly viral, and I ended up making a total profit of $210 for the month. Not terrible, but far lower than most people online claim. Dropshipping requires constant content creation, consistent testing, and the patience to handle customer messages. It's possible to scale, but for a beginner with no ad budget, the results stay modest. Still, this side hustle taught me that demand exists, you just need the right product at the right moment. But compared to the other hustles I tried, dropshipping was one of the most stressful for the amount it paid. 3. Reselling, the highest paying hustle of all. The final hustle I tested was reselling, buying undervalued items locally and flipping them online. I visited thrift shops, flea markets, and local listings to look for items with resale value. I focused on electronics, small appliances, and branded items because they resell quickly. My first profitable flip was a pair of wireless headphones I bought for $8 and sold for $35. It felt incredibly satisfying. The next week, I found a used coffee machine for $18 and sold it for $60 after a quick cleaning. Every item taught me what resale categories work best. By week 4, I had developed an eye for valuable products. I flipped shoes, gadgets, watches, and even small furniture. The only challenge was transportation and storage, but the results were undeniable. By the end of 30 days, I earned $740 in profit, making reselling the highest earning side hustle of the entire experiment. The reason it works so well is because resale depends on opportunity. If you find great items, you make great profit. If you don't, your earnings slow down. But compared to the time invested, reselling paid the most for me. 4. Print on demand. Print on demand was one of the more creative side hustles I tested. I made shirt designs using simple tools and uploaded them to platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Amazon Merch. The goal was to make designs once and earn royalties whenever someone bought them. Week 1 was mostly setup, learning how to make clean designs, uploading them, writing descriptions, and understanding what kinds of shirts actually sell. I focus on simple text designs, seasonal themes, and motivational quotes. During the entire first 2 weeks, I made 0 sales. But on day 18, my first Etsy sale came in, $4 profit on a minimalist quote shirt. That small sale motivated me to upload more designs. By week 4, I had around 60 designs posted across different platforms, and a few of them began picking up traction. By the end of 30 days, I made around $96 in profit. This was the lowest earning side hustle of 5. But here's the interesting part. I continued earning money even on days I did nothing. The designs stay online permanently and can keep generating passive income. So while print on demand is slow at first, it has long-term potential if you stick with it. 5. Video editing and graphic design. Video editing and graphic design became one of the most rewarding side hustles of the entire experiment. And what surprised me most was how easy it was to start with just basic tools and beginner-level skills. I didn't use any professional software at first, only free and simple apps like CapCut, Canva, and a lightweight video editor. I focus on services that almost everyone online needs today: short TikTok and reel edits, YouTube intros and outros, eye-catching thumbnails, logo designs, business card layouts, Instagram carousel posts, and simple promotional graphics for small brands. I created a few sample projects and posted them on Fiverr and Instagram, and within just a few days, I started receiving messages because the demand for content creators has exploded. Influencers want daily posts, businesses need promo reels, YouTubers constantly need thumbnails, and students need polished presentations. So even basic work sells. As the month went on, I edited dozens of short videos, designed templates that clients could reuse, and even worked on a weekly contract with a small brand that needed consistent edits for their product page. I learned how powerful good communication is. Delivering fast, responding politely, and offering small revisions helped me build trust and get repeat clients. Some projects were quick, like $15 thumbnail designs that took only 10 minutes, while others, like editing a full week's batch of short video for a brand, brought in over $100 at once. What surprised me most was how fast referrals grew. One client would recommend me to another, and suddenly people from different niches were reaching out. By the end of 30 days, I earned $460, making this one of the highest paying and fastest growing hustles I tested. And the best part is that the more I practiced, the faster I became, meaning future projects would take less time and pay even more. This side hustle showed me that if you learn even basic editing and design skills and stay consistent, there will always be clients willing to pay because social media never stops and content creators always need fresh visuals. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. See you in the next video.